All right, number 1 says a projectile is launched at 37 degrees above the horizontal at the speed of 50 meters per second. How far? How long? How high? What's the speed just before it hits the ground? So we'll make a little picture. It's being launched at 50 meters per second at an angle of 37 degrees. I'll break it into its vertical and horizontal components. Vertical, VI, VF, A, T, and D. Horizontal, velocity, distance, and time. So I'm going to find the x and y components by using the sine and the cosine. I'll call this x and I'll call that y. So I'll say the sine of 37 degrees is equal to y over 50. So y, I take 50 times the sine of 37, is 30.1 degrees. Nope, I'm sorry, 30.1 meters per second. Now I'll use the cosine is equal to x over 50. So I take 50 cosine 37, and I get 39.9. So this over here came out to be 30.1, and this is 39.9. So my vertical velocity, that's the 30.1. My horizontal velocity is 39.9. The final velocity, I'll use this point right here. 0, acceleration, negative 9.8. And then I'll start cranking through all my equations. So VF equals VI plus AT. Final velocity, 0. Initial velocity, 30.1. Negative 9.8 T. So 3.07. 3.07 seconds. So that's how long it took to get right here. So how long is it in the air? That's 6.14 seconds. So 6.14 seconds. How high does it go? I'll plug it into this equation, because it's how high is a vertical distance. So vertical distance, VI 30.1. The time is 3.07 plus 1/2 negative 9.8, 3.07 squared. So 30.1 times 3.07 times 1/2 times negative 9.8 times 3.07 squared. Oops. $46.2. That's how high it goes. 46.2 meters. Okay, how far does it go? That's a horizontal distance. The time being 6.14 seconds. So using velocity equals distance over time, my velocity being 39.9, distance over 6.14. So 39.9 times 6.14 is 245. How far does it go? 245 meters. And then part D says, what is the speed just before it hits the ground? Ah, this is nice. Since it's level ground, the speed at the beginning equals the speed at the end, so it's going 50.0 meters per second. Now, had this said what is the velocity, just before it hits the ground, I'd have to say it's 50 meters per second going at this angle right here. And that angle, believe it or not, is 37 degrees. Remember, speed is a scalar, velocity is a vector.